Hey, you can't see me. Hey, there you are. Welcome to Blue Mtn Doors channel. As we leave out from the blue sky again. Run that intro and we'll talk about it. My glasses fogged up. I don't know what their roof leaks, sunroof leaks. I don't know. They covered the car up. Don't want no pigeon poop on it. So, do y'all know the difference? Like the roof falling off that one part. Huh. And now it's time for a new roof. We'll like raise the roof. Oh, they got a smoker. They said they had a food truck here, but they weren't using it yesterday. So that's pretty cool. So that place don't open at 10 o'clock and it's 9:32. Look at the busiest traffic. Woo! Everybody head to the mountains. Where everybody going on Saturday? Oh, there's a running event going on. These people from Carrollton came up here, Carrollton, Georgia, yep, to run in it, and they all dressed up in festivity colors, you know. It's like a costume run or something. Jeez, I should have went. But any of these people's gonna slow down. But anyway, we'll skip this part. Hey, we made it out. How your mom and them doing? So you know when we up here in the mountains, we got to stop by the Panorama. Happy dabba dooba dooba dabba dooba doo. Hey, mom and them doing pretty good. Gotta get out of the way before we get run over. So, I was thinking too, what's the difference between a hotel and a motel? An hotel, motel. Well, it's the size and amenities. They all say motels are more closer to the road than hotels are for travelers and all. You have less, most motels are single floors and smaller, and they have less amenities. So you pretty much, you know, a bed and a bath and a TV maybe. About all you get in a motel. But a hotel's got more rooms, more floors, more amenities, like a swimming pool and movie stars and free breakfast. Hey, I'll tell you about the breakfast back there at the Blue Sky Inn. It was real good. It was fresh. It wasn't none of that. Maybe it was powdered eggs, but that was the best powdered eggs I ever had. Of course, you get a waffle. You could make your own waffle. They had chocolate syrup and strawberry syrup and regular maple syrup and all that good stuff. And the zoo, they said, well, I've seen hotels on next to, but they bigger. Yeah. Yep. So it's not supposed to rain, but the way it looks, it's going to rain. So it's saying it already about Birmingham now. Maybe some severe thunderstorms. So let's don't forget about it. I think it's going to be a good hotel. They're very friendly, American owned, veteran owned. He's a veteran. So remember to call. Ask for Cindy, tell me you're with GAMM to go to Georgia Motorcycle Meetup or Motovlogger Meetup or whatever you want to call it. There's the Bigfoot expedition where you learn about Bigfoot, the Crippet, Bigfoot. He's well known in these woods here at Cherry Log. It's Ellijay, but I think it's Cherry Log, Blue Ridge. But anyway, you ought to come check out the Bigfoot expedition. You down here for fam. You come in early because you ain't got to check in to 3 o'clock. So I hope we have a decent turnout. Oh, Ray saying he might not come. Oh, Ray, where you at, Ray? Rerun, rerun, Ray. Rerun, Ray, Ray. Ray, Ray, rerun. Cool. I wonder what Red Gregory's doing right about now. Probably making a Wednesday motovlog. Riding with his hog chapter. I figure I'd turn you on in case we get rear-ended. These ain't people that want to sit in the... Get out of the left lane, you stupid... Oh, you turning. Never mind. You can't see them. Cheeseburger, big bag, cheese, hammer. I can't do that. Damn it. Oh, man. Well, I thought what was... Yeah, I don't know where I'm at. Let me know, Jay. Hey. Alright, now we're here. Yeah, they open early here at the Panorama, wee, coming in hot. Panorama, Apple Place. We're going in customer entrance number 1 because we special. Yep, we are special people. Hey, you got fresh strawberries now. We compact. Alright, we're leaving the Panorama. I've spent $71 on pickled eggs. Well, no, we spent $90 something because you buy the pies separate. Pies was, well, I don't know how much it charged for the pie. We got 4 pies and it was $10 or something. So I guess $82 rounded up, I guess. Cut 2 jars of the spicy pickles. You know, spicy means they're hot. Jalapenos and all. No. Gotta get my boiled eggs. We got some sweet pickled, like dill pickled sweet pickles. She got some kind of pickles. I thought she got pickled okra. We got 3 things of salsa. Got some apple pecan brandy pie, cake, whatever you want to call it. My mouth watering talking about it. What else we get? She got some dry pineapples, and then a strawberry some kind of bread. So that ain't bread. That's kind of like a pie. I mean, what do you call them? Pound cakes. Can't call it a pound cake because it don't weigh a pound. You didn't know that, did you? But anyway, we'll see you when we get to the next stop. Because I wouldn't say it's this, because once we get down here about 4 or 5 miles, we turn. And then it's back to 2 lanes. Then 411. We'll be at Cart. Let's see. Give me a minute. Skip for a minute. Skip. Alright, I haven't seen people in a hurry. People's in a hurry. Oh, we doing 70. But we still get past. That's the thing. 97 miles till we get home. Now why did it rudely cut off? Did it come back on? Yeah. Oh, baby. 37 miles to the Cartersville Harley-Davidson in Cartersville. So the Harley-Davidson, and then about another 20 miles down the road there'd be Harbor Freight. And see, we doing 70. These people flying by us like we sitting still. Oh man, I hate this part of the road because it feels like you can give me stomach. We are down here. We are down here at Cartersville, north side of Cartersville. Pollen's kicking butt. We're gonna stop in here. Wow, what's going on here? Ooh, a event day sale, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of cars here. Isn't there a lot of cars there? Huh? What we got going on here? I don't know. Having a used car lot sale? I don't know. See if you can get in over there. Well, I done spent my hobo freight money in here, so I guess we'll just go into the house. That's what the H stand for, $100. We spent $120 for 2 things. It's done warmed up. I didn't give you a time and temperature check this morning, did I? Nope. No, sure I did not. It's 77 degrees. It feels like 90 with the humidity. So we're going to race this clouds trying to, well, they'll be coming east and we'll be going west, so we might meet before we get home. There's a MC in front of us. Let's go up there and pass them and piss them off. Shall we? Nah. Be nice. So we're going to go on to the house, so hope you enjoy our little, I don't know what we call this. This was a short video, wasn't it? Huh. I don't know. Ride home. We'll figure something out. So go check out that video there, and that one there, and hit the subscribe button over here, and see you down the road. Thumbs up. Yep.